Give me meat. Wait, what is that? Where's this house? They cannot reach it. Oh, look. Oh, I cannot run.
Ma-open iya pag-abat kin magkaroon kay proper circulation.
Okay. I know.
Kasi nga,
I will build a
hinihingal ka permi kasi po ang circulation ng blood mo.
Nadiro ako naman. Wait a minute. Let's see. So,
Agum.
give me all the diamonds. I'm gonna make them 2 diamond blocks. Wait, where's the iron bar? I have iron bars. Where's the iron bars? Swimming pool ko. Ayun.
Tagilid.
Bars.
Isugod ko dito. Nadihak.
Kugo na ako.
Madi, tagilid. Yan.
Okay, it's time to secure this house.
Where's the quiet to my house? Because that zombie is troubling me.
Okay. Ay, hindi pala akong ka.
Yan.
But
Ganyan. Tama.
pag hindi ko in-adventure,
Relax.
kasi survival tuloy, kakarating na.
Ball kasi ko, ha?
Okay.
Lambot.
Now, this is gonna be super tough for the zombies. At least in the...
Ow. There on the mountain.
I see.
Sorry. But this is gonna be...
He's...
Bawal uminom ng malamig. Dali.
Yes.
6 hanggang 8 oras. Pero kung maaari, huwag ka nang uminom ng malamig. Para di ka maging bloated, ito yan. Para agad ma-detox yung mga toxin impurities sa katawan mo. May, ano,
Kuya, gusto ko na.
lambot.
Dito sa bahay.
Brush out, brush out. Brush out. Tingala. 10
Kuya.
seconds.
Gusto mo again?
Oh!
Kabila.
Kuya, Lord.
Something.
Kuya, you like Lord?
Potion of healing.
Kuya, ate, what you did?
Relax.
Oh, thank you.
Lambot.
I made potion of healing. Bunso, alam mo yung potion of healing?
Hmm.
Potion of healing.
Relax.
Yes.
Lambot lang. Lambot yan. Relax. Lambot.
Yes. I have potion of healing.
Relax.
Ate, asang ka na?
Very good. So yung nagpap-up, yan ay mga ano,
Ito mo, ito mo.
gas deposit.
Much better already.
Much better really.
Yun.
This stone is
Check natin kung may gas deposit.
cobblestone. You're not gonna stop me. Bottles all enchanting. There's some sheep so I can put it.
Brush out. Ganito.
I need a bottle of water.
2, 3,
Somebody explode your house!
relax. Lambot.
Stupid man.
Okay.
Take that.
Ew. Right in front of the house.
Relax.
Let the door again.
Oh! Somebody mine it.
Tapos mo siya.
JJ.
Brush out.
Maybe JJ do.
Inhale.
He likes
Inhale.
gold,
Good.
diamonds,
Very good.
everything.
Okay, potion natin.
Maybe
Hindi
he
po potion na.
mine it.
Pag matagal nga sugal na kagaya lang siya, hindi mo siya mai-ano.
I'm gonna be super powered.
Mas ulit siya kaya nagkaroon ng inflammation.
Atak mo yan si
Napupusin
JJ.
na.
Mag-a-attack ako ng mga zombies at night. Di ba, Bonsoy?
Relax.
Diba, Bonsai?
Lambot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yan.
Very good.
Kuya, ate may kuya.
Yes.
Share.
Yes.
Lambot. Yan. Lambot. Yes.
Give me all the powers.
Breath out. Taas mo siya.
Yes.
Inhale.
Yes.
Yun. Binati ka?
Wow.
Ha?
Binati.
I'm
Nag-pop up siya.
super.
Kasi napuprosin na dito. Napuprosin na siya. Relax. Breath out.
Yum, yum, yum.
Relax. Lambot. Ayun.
To put away all my...
So, kailangan mo nga. Panahot.
Why you have a potion with butter?
Sulit natin siya na.
Wait, I can make a
Forward.
bucket.
Forward na to.
How?
Forward na to.
Iron in here.
Oh.
Where's the iron I have? 45. Whoa.
Yes. Relax. Ayan, masal din niya ano, oh. No? Magsal din eh. Ayan, oh.
Where's that book?
Ayan.
One more.
Press out. Press
Ay,
out.
nagtawa.
Relax.
So, where's the
Lambot siya.
cow?
Ilang buto niya?
Where's the cow? The face. I'm gonna pick some water from this glass bottle.
Pupusin mo. Breath out.
Ah,
Lambot. Lambot.
what? Now, where's that cow?
Yun. Very good. Huh?
So, I need more sand. Sand. Ay, bawal pala ako. How's supposed to get out?
Ready now. Your work is done.
Relax.
Ako naman, Daddy Lo.
Wait lang. Wait lang, isa na lang. Wait lang.
Pahiramin mo yung kapatid mo.
Opo, malapit na.
Kuya,
I made
no.
a cow. What?
Mabait talaga si Daddy Lo eh. Lambot.
Hey, what I have full heart?
Kaya di, maihan namin hindi nasusukat. Basta kaya daman itong prosin.
Right.
Dinitiyan
So,
natin bilagon.
Bunsoy, have you seen a cow?
Dinitiyan magiging
somewhere.
flexible.
I mean this metal.
Relax.
Where are you? Where are you, cow? I made your milk.
Hmm?
Where are you? If you not give me your milk, you will die.
Yun. May kilala kang Jerry Anasio.
Jerry, ano?
Hindi daha takyan. Si-stroke gamay ito. Lambot. Nagpapatherapy na may sa akin muna sa pamilya.
Again.
Ay, namit mga magsuel. Ayun o. Ayun o.
Okay, it's gonna night time.
Paano nagtulog na
Actually, binukod pa din. Ano sa lihin eh?
Ko pa rin, lalaban tuloy ako zombies. Kisi. Lalaban ka zombies sa atin.
Nakakadapa ka, di ba?
Prepare na ako.
Dapa. Masyaring ka, oy. May ito. Kasi, i-acupressure ko din talagtod.
Prepare na ako
Sige
sa
po.
zombie.
Didit. Didit ulo.
Saan ka natin?
At tara.
Oo, dapa,
Ate,
dapa.
magayo some gold. No.
Sige. Help yourself kasi para maging flexible ka.
This
Yan.
is gonna
Kailangan
be
ikikilos mo
super
ito.
awesome. Time for reaction.
Ano?
Sige, dapa la. Sige, sige, yung tip ko, ano? Uy, sugad.
Amazing!
Yan.
When madami na zombies.
Relax.
Wala nang mababasa damit mo, kuya.
Opo.
Tingnan mo,
Saan?
hintayin mo ate yung
Yung damit mo, di ba yun?
Ito.
tutulog.
Relax.
Ito na ate, zombies na.
Ini hips mo sa alintana ini din eh.
Kuya, may
Gusto mo ano?
kasto.
Ini spine lumbar mo sa alintana ini.
Kuya, habla ako kasto.
Relax.
Yes!
Lambot. Yan. Yan oh. Okay.
Where is he?
Inhale.
Wait a little.
Exhale.
Aha!
Exhale.
Ah.
Inhale.
What? A
Exhale.
creeper!
Inhale. Exhale. Last, inhale.
Wait.
Very good.
Kaya ba na
Relax.
Hehehe. Matulog ka na yan.
Oh.
Wait lang ha. Papait ko mamayang umaga. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo ate. Nakakatawa to. Creeper na to. Dito na siya. Creeper na to.
Para
Ate,
makadaloy
tingnan mo
itong
tong creeper.
kung makadaloy.
Papasabugin ko siya. Sige,
Yan, oh.
dito. Sige, dito. Sige. Be! Lalala, yan sa ko. Ate, tingnan mo. Hayulo. Oh, go! Yes, time for wings, sis. It's a baby song.
Asan na ba?
Where's the creeper? I just see him running. Where's that creeper?
Ibaba mo yung dalawang kamay mo.
Wow,
Gilid.
yeah.
Ligid.
Just wait a little. Where's the thing?